Fix unable to connect to server in League of Legends. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix unable to connect to server in League of Legends. So there are multiple solutions to fix this problem. So first of all, you can check the official log for live issues update. You can go to the official Riot Games status website and choose the game you are facing issues with. In this case it will be League of Legends, and you can review the error logs and check if you have a similar issue. And if this not works with you, you can check internet connections for common problems. You can check the internet connection and its stability. The first thing to do as you receive the unable to connect server error is open a browser and check if the internet works fine. And you can also quickly run an internet speed test to check the overall performance of the current server you are connected to. You can try checking your firewall. If the internet you are using is fine, then you should focus on your PC's firewall settings. Sometimes the firewall blocks the connection while playing the League of Legends game. The best way to do is to search for firewall and network protection, and after that you can see the public network here, and you can just turn off the Microsoft Defender firewall, and you can update network update driver. You can just open device manager, find the network update adapter and check for updates, find updates manually, and download the updates, install the updates, restart the PC for updates to take effect. So that's the all solutions I have told you to fix unable to connect to server uh, in League of Legends. Let me know in the comment section which one worked with you. So see you in the next video.